forecast.
Hey, that's right. Today's actually going to be pretty similar to yesterday. It was very cold this morning, similar to yesterday. Chilly this afternoon. Not going to be quite as windy today. And the one difference today versus yesterday, I don't want to rule out an isolated light snow shower, maybe some flurries as we get to the evening hours, similar to what we kind of saw on Black Friday evening. Most of us won't see that. If you do, I just don't want you to be surprised. It won't be impactful, though. And then, of course, the big headline this week is the cold, and then the rain and snow that's going to roll in Wednesday night into the day on Thursday. Thursday is going to be windy as well, making it feel even colder. Current temperatures, we're in the low 30s out there. Highs today, very similar to yesterday, mid to the upper 30s. Sun and clouds and chilly, and again, I don't want to rule out some flurries or an isolated light snow shower this evening. And then Wednesday night into primarily Thursday, heaviest of the snow in the interior is going to be falling Thursday morning, and then it kind of tapers off as the day goes on. Otherwise, the big headline is really the cold. You're going to need the heat mainly tomorrow morning. Thursday, a little bit colder in central Massachusetts, but look at Friday, Saturday. Mornings down to the teens, highs barely making it above the freezing mark. More on that coming up. Nice and bright out there right now. Some of us more of a sun cloud mix today. A couple flurries possibility, but it's all about the snow Wednesday night and Thursday. More details on that coming up. Speed of it, I think, is a little extreme, but we'll take a couple inches, and that's what we're going to get for some of us as we get into Wednesday night and into the day on Thursday. Before then, we are going to be mostly dry today. I don't want you to be shocked if you're in central Mass primarily and you see an isolated light snow shower or flurries this evening. I don't think it's going to accumulate or cause any issues, but you may see some things falling from the sky, and that snow is actually coming from the lake effect snow in New York State. For today, 39 degrees, most of today spent in the 30s, and we are going to get down to the 20s as we go to later on this evening. So, for example, here's the lake effect snow I was talking about, and yes, this is coming all the way from New York State. Basically, a little bit of a wind is all it takes to carry some of those flurries or isolated light snow showers from New York State all the way into our region. So it's going to be quick, not going to cause any issues. Not everyone's going to see it, but it's an isolated chance as we go into this evening and tonight. And then overnight into tomorrow, we're going to be dry during the day. And then here we go, the rain and snow for tomorrow evening. For a lot of you, it's not going to start until you're probably already at home, maybe even settling into bed if you're farther off to the east. And what's going to happen here Wednesday night and throughout the day on Thursday is this rain snow line. You see that pink is a wintry mix, which is the threshold between the snow and the rain. This rain snow line is kind of going to meander and move around a little bit between the 495 corridor and the 95 corridor, especially as we get into Thursday morning. So basically here, the trend is the farther north and west you are, the more snow you can see. Farther south and east you are, more rain. You're going to see maybe some wet snowflakes. But you can see that rain snow line, how it kind of meandered a little bit. Around Boston, you could see some wet snowflakes. Don't think you're going to get any accumulation there. And that's only if you're awake early enough Thursday morning. As we go throughout Thursday, you can see it kind of swaps back over to some rain. Most of the most widespread rain and snow is going to fall Thursday morning. But even as we head to Thursday afternoon, there could be a couple snow showers and a couple rain showers before we completely dry out Thursday night. Here are the snowfall totals. Farther north, like Keene, for example, southern Vermont, 3 to 6 inches, central Massachusetts, 1 to 3. And then again, as you get to the southeast, you're not really expecting much. Thursday, the wind's going to pick up as well. And then as we get into Friday, the wind's going to pick up. We dry out Friday, which is good, but that wind's going to make it feel brutal cold. 39 today, 40 tomorrow. There's the rain and snow. Look at Friday, though. 20 is the low, 32 is the high. Saturday, you're down to 15 and 33. Sunday, down to 18 and 38. And then Monday, we start warming back to the 40s.